friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Dan the Man and Kitty Bitty. But I don't think she's gonna help much. She's in heat right now and she's driving me insane. Aren't you? Aren't you driving me insane with your being in heat? See? There it is, everybody. It drives me crazy. I wanted to get that in real quick because I don't know what's up with the cat nowadays. The Hexohm. There it is. The Hexohm V2.1. This is a case that came with it when I bought it. I purchased it from a friend of mine, a trusted friend, and she just sent this with me, just gave it to me, which I thought was super cool because you can still use that for the V3 and the V1 and the V2. It'll fit them all. So that's super cool. Now, you might be asking yourself, why are you telling us about the V2.1 when there's a V3 out now? And this is years old, at least 5 years old. And they don't manufacture them anymore, but you can still find them on eBay, Amazon, and other sites that deal in used vape gear. The reason we're doing this video is this is expensive. It's the most expensive mod I own. Paid $135 for it. She had only used it a few times, so it was pretty much brand new. The door is warped, but that was like that before I sent it to him. The case covers it, and so my OCD is okay. It's not quite okay because the buttons, see how there's right there? It drives me crazy and I can't fix it. So, let's not think about it. Let's not think about it right now. It's not. No. I don't know. Let's pretend I didn't do that. Whatever that was. See, so now I'm itching my hair. See my hair? How I never cared about my hair until I started talking to y'all. So, I'm going on a tangent. Let's bring it back. For some reason I want to say the Hammond box, but that's silly because this isn't a Hammond box. They stopped using the Hammond box. The V2.1. The V2 is a Hammond. The 2.1 isn't. The reason I bring that up is because the Hammond box leans, and so people in the know call it the Hammond lean. And now y'all are in the know. Huh? Okay, now the it uses a Veritube 510 with a spring-loaded pin. I mean, do you believe me or do you want me to show you? You don't know. Oh, shit. Yeah, there it is. Okay. So, yeah. It's spring-loaded. Take my word for it. Okay. Now, I don't think I even said the reason why we're doing the video. It was because it broke and I sent it in and it just came back. So I spent more money than I would ever spend on a lot of things because I'm a cheapskate, and that has been established. So why did I spend over $100 on this? Because it has a lifetime warranty. It broke. I sent it in, paid for shipping, which was under $5. You know what? It was about $5 because I actually did the insurance. Because if this got lost in the mail, I'd be like, so I did the insurance. Yeah, all right. So I totally lost my train of thought. So yeah, there you go. I don't know. It broke, and I sent it in. The battery tray no longer was in there tight. The potentiometer was loose, and the chip totally didn't work at all. So they fixed the potentiometer, put a brand new chip in there, a new cord, and a new battery sled. As you can see, the negative and positive is clearly marked. But which is good. But if you put them in wrong, there's reverse polarity protection on this. So you won't burn your chip out if you accidentally put them in wrong, which I've done. Twisted Messes 24, 0.12 ohms. Potentiometer is at just a little over 50. Wow, that's tasty. Wow. Real quick, the liquid I'm using is Nougat Delight 2. T-O-O. Not Nougat Delight version 2, but Nougat Delight also. The reason I named it that is because I use a different hazelnut and a different Tyrone. Or nougat, if you will. I used the Tyrone instead. Anyways, yeah. Alright, so the chipset is the OKL T20 chip. Pretty much, it has a couple protections, right? Like the reverse polarity. Now you can build pretty low on it, but if you buy one of these and you're new, please learn Ohm's law. Okay? It's very important. You do not want this thing blowing up. Just one of these batteries venting can F up your whole life. Your day for sure. And if you're lucky, just your day. But two of them venting, it's like smoking an M80. And boom! Yeah, not good. When these batteries vent, we're talking heat. We're talking hot. And it'll shoot out like a laser jet of molten lava. And wherever it touches on you is burning away. The warranty is why I bought this. Why I spent that much money on it. Because it has a lifetime warranty. Now you could hear that and say, oh great, lifetime warranty. But what if the company don't last your lifetime? Craving Vapor, who makes these, has so far been around for quite some time. And I think they're going to be in it for the long haul. So, it was worth it to me to have a lifetime warranty. I just sent it in and they sent it back fixed. And to me, that's wonderfully brilliant. The only way I would spend that kind of money on on vape gear is if I had that kind of assurance. Because I don't have the money. I'm cheap. And even if I did have the money, I'm still cheap. So what's covered on the warranty? Burned up chips, the potentiometer, the battery sled, and mechanical issues. What's not covered are the engravings. If they wore off, this engraving you want to keep. You don't want that wearing off. And any changes you might have done to it will void the warranty. So don't fix it yourself. So there's not really much else to say about it, y'all. Except, oh, you know what? For you new vapors, if actually even for the older ones, if you are looking for a mod that doesn't have any kind of that doesn't have all the bells and whistles, it just have power, straight power, and a couple protections like the battery protection and whatnot. So yeah, this mod is all about just the power. It doesn't have temp control, anything like that. And this is the V 2.1, and if you could find one, I'd pick it up. But for the V3, it has the V3 is totally different. Like everything's proprietary on it. The chip is, they call it the Hex T30. Suppose it goes up to 180 watts. Oh, and this one is like 120. They recommend you at 0.3 ohms. Well, that's it, my friends. The Hexohm. Lifetime warranty. I paid shipping. They shipped it back. They fixed it. And I'm ecstatic. This is Danny Man signing out. Peace.